Okay, Mikey, I hope this is recording. I got an email from your mom, and she said that there were some things that you were not sure of where to find them. So I thought might be easier to just make a screencast for you, and you can find these different things. The first thing, the academic honesty contract, we're going to find all of these things in the course units. And I need to change something really quickly so that what you're seeing looks the same. So we'll go to course units. The first one, the academic honesty contract, is in Unit 1. And if this would load a little faster, that would be good. Okay, so Unit 1, we're going to scroll down. One thing I really want to point out to you is at the beginning of each unit there is a checklist, and anything that you see on here that's in red, the academic honesty contract, quiz, any of those things that are in red are graded assignments. Then to find where those assignments are, you need to see what lesson they're in. So if you look here, academic honesty contract is in lesson 1. So if you scroll down farther, open lesson 1. There's some information that you should have already read through, but we get here to the academic honesty contract. Right here is a link. Click on that. It opens up. And it should load. So you read through this, and there are these different sections. So you need to read through these. You're going to then type in your initials. So mine would be CW. I'll go down, read the next one, type all those in, and then at the very end, you need to write your whole name. And then all you need to do is save this. Generally, I suggest students save things to their desktop. Save as academic honesty contract. I'm going to save that to my desktop, and then I can close this out. Then to submit that, I have to go back here to the assignment where it says U1A1 Academic Honesty Assignment. I'm going to open that up. Scroll down, and where it says Attach File, I'm going to go to Browse My Computer. I have to change this to my desktop. And there it is, Academic Honesty Contract. Double click on it. Now you can see right here it's attached, and submit. Okay, so while that's loading, once it gets uploaded, it'll go to that. I'm just going to cancel and back out of this. Maybe I will. Then the next thing that needs to be done, your mom said that you were not able to find the discussion board assignments. So you can find those in a couple of places. If we go back to the checklist, right here in lesson 2, the unit 1 discussion board 1. So if we go to lesson 2, scroll down, find that discussion board assignment. And normally to do this, what you would do is you would click on this, it would open up the discussion board, and it would say create thread. Okay, I have put that on there that it doesn't allow you to create threads anymore or respond to the discussion board, but you can still receive credit. If you see on here, it says the discussion board is now closed. If you still wish to receive credit, you'll need to write a paragraph to introduce yourself, and it's very specific. And so it also says on there, posts added after June 28th will not be graded. You must do the alternate assignment to receive credit. Once you completed, you can email that to me. Okay, email it to me with the subject title discussion board alternate assignment. That is the same thing that you are going to do in Unit 2. You did not do that discussion board either. So you can either go to Unit 2 to find that, or if you click right here on the left-hand side where it says discussion boards, it'll open up all of the discussion board prompts, and the first 3 have been closed now. I apologize, I don't know why it takes so long for this to load, but it does. So I'll just talk so that we don't have dead air while it's waiting to load, or while we're waiting for it to load. I think I'm going to not wait for that. So there are 2 ways though for you to find the prompts for the discussion boards. You can either go into the specific unit to find that, or again, you can just click on this discussion board prompt right there. But I would like to move on so that I can get through all of these for you. The next one that you are missing is in lesson 2 or unit 2 as well. So I'm going to go back to course units, unit 2, and it is the topographic map gizmo. So if we scroll down here, topographic map gizmo is, gotta find it. Oh, here it is in lesson 5. So we'll go down to lesson 5, open that up, scroll down, and we'll find that assignment, okay? The topographic map gizmo right here. So there's 2 things, and I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail on this because there was a tutorial that I posted on June 22nd that goes through this entire procedure for how to work the gizmos, and I can go to that and show it to you. So I'm going to go back to announcements. And then these are all in chronicle order. The older ones are closer to the bottom. So if we scroll down, oops, right here. June 22nd, topographic map gizmo tutorial. I created a little video that goes through that entire process of how to do that assignment, how to answer the questions, how to open the gizmo, how to upload that assignment. Then if we move down in Unit 3, your mom said that you told her that you had done this crystal lab. If you did, there are 2 parts to it. First of all, the crystal lab, these are both in lesson 3. So we'll go to lesson 3. The lab itself is right here, all of the directions. Here is the assignment. Here is the template that you can use to write the report. Okay, so if you open this up, all of the things that you need to include in that lab are right here. And you'll just respond to those questions as you work your way through it. Any of these places, for instance, the title, and it has this bulletin information, this you should delete and put in your own information. The introduction, delete that, put your own information in. Okay, but the directions for the lab itself are right here, mineral activity. So when you're done, again, you'll save it. Then to upload it, you're going to click on the actual assignment, scroll down to where it says attach file, browse my computer, find your file, your assignment, and attach it, and then scroll down to submit. The other one that I don't have any information on you submitting is the actual picture of you creating the crystal, and that is also in lesson 3 down below the selfie. So you should have taken a picture of yourself with the crystal, and all you're going to do is create blog entry, put your name, M. Gash Crystal selfie, and then you can attach right here the picture. And once you've done that, you can say something about it if you want, or just put the picture in there and post the entry right there. Okay, and then the last thing in Unit 3 that has not been completed is the Unit 3 test. So you have a few things that need to be done. This is this particular unit, Unit 4, opened on Monday, but because of the 4th of July holiday, you are being allowed 2 weeks to get work completed in that. And so what I would do is focus on getting the work completed that you're missing in Units 1, 2, and 3 first, and then move on to Unit 4 after that. And as long as you get everything completed, I would like to see late work completed by this Sunday, and then you have still a full week to get Unit 4 completed before the due date next Sunday, the 17th. Okay, so that is